And welcome to Lunchtime Politics. First, the highlights. Panic in Lagos as stations managed by NNPCL sells premium motor spirit at 568 naira in the nation's capital, 617 naira per litre. Independent marketers are selling above the NNPCL price, while prices in the northwest stands around 620 naira per litre.
Nigerian masses are choking. They are choking. Nigerians are choking. 108 billion naira approved for Nigerian senators and principal officials of the National Assembly. But on the other hand, 8,000 naira approved for 12 million Nigerian indigenous families. It's like waking up in America and hearing that a 3-year-old child shot a 1-year-old. Absurdity of our times. War has been declared on Nigerian people. The worst is yet to come. Welcome to Open Whispers channel.
So how are you feeling now?
But if you do sir, I'm about no try.
You no try.
All the rumor over the year, all the money we in borrow. People we don't get money already, all the senators, as of all of them, they won't buy bulletproof car. 40 million naira car, bulletproof. Where they don't get money, they also want to go carry the money, go. No. Tinubu, nobody would think for what would think I would see for him.
Administration.
No.
So
No joy.
There's nothing. But you voted him, sir. Tinubu fuck up.
Oh, fuck
So
up.
very edible phone.
Ibo tèmi kọ́ ló gbé wọlé. Ẹ á dìbò fún un.
So how are you feeling
Ó
now?
máa ṣe dáadáa ni. Ó fuck up.
A blow has been dealt dangerously to the Nigerian poor people. The prices of fuel has been increased from 540 naira that it used to be to more than 617 naira. The poor people are choking. On the other hand, more than 110 billion naira has been approved for the Nigerian elites, the senators, House of Reps members, and principal officers of the National Assembly for what is called palliative, or the purchase of more than 400 exotic vehicles that are bulletproof. You can see the irony. And when people are complaining now, P.O.B. will say, welcome to the real world. To the obedience, to the birth, to the articulates, there is no discrimination. P.O.B. will normally tell you that the price of bread in the market does not know who is from the east, west, or who is a Muslim, or who is a Christian, or others. Simply put, Nigerian masses are choking. Why, on the other hand, the Nigerian elites are smiling to the bank? 8,000 naira being proposed for probably 12 million Nigerian households. One would have imagined that the money saved, even for a month from this fuel subsidy, would have been reinvested to a social scheme. Not the 5,000 naira that was claimed to have been paid to indigent Nigerians by the past administration. Nor the feed at home program for children or for school children that was also shambolic. No. But one would have expected that this government would have been prepared. You see, when we talk about capacity, this is what we'll talk about. It's not about Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It's not about anybody. It's not even about P.O.B. It is this structure of criminality. And one wonders that who are on the receiving end? The poor people. Please, give the poor people a breathing space. The various reactions are coming in. And the most striking of them is what Obieze Kwesili said, the former Minister of Education in Nigeria. No matter how long it takes a stammerer, he must pronounce his name. It's coming home to roost. The reality is coming. How can you remove a fuel subsidy without preparing for the cushioning effects for the poor people? Even if you propose 200,000 a month stipends for the Nigerian civil servants, it's not even enough. It's like giving them on one hand while you increase the price of pump of fuel. You are taking it on the other hand. Which way are we going? It's a two-way street. It's either you are here or you are there. You are increasing the price of fuel and increasing the allowances for these senators. One will expect also that if the senators are really representing the people, they don't even mind sacrificing what is called a furniture allowance, or all these bulletproof vehicles that they are buying. You are giving money to foreign countries to produce the vehicles, whereas our indigenous contractors who are producing the same vehicles, that when you patronize them, the money will go back to the economy. They are there begging for assistance. Nigeria is choking. This is a cartel. For all those who are supporting Bola Ahmed Tinubu because of ethnicity, shame on you. For even people supporting PW because of ethnicity, shame on you. What we are talking about is people-oriented president. Somebody who will come with a plan on board. Nigerian people are choking. They are choking. And you are saying 8,000 naira a move for 12 million families in Nigeria, shambolic. When the COVID hit America and some other European countries, you know what they did? America paid more than $2,000 as COVID palliative to the poor people of America, not to the rich. By doing that, they put money back to where it belongs, to the hands of the people. And it reinvented America's economy. Canada did the same thing. Britain did the same thing. But what did Nigeria do? They collected money from outside countries as money to use as palliative. Gave it back to the politicians, who in return took the palliatives, stored them in warehouses for their campaigns. Some of those palliatives are even rotting in the warehouses where they've been forgotten. It never got to the poor people of Nigeria, and they continue to suffer. It's like a government of the elites, for the elites and not for the people. We are saying enough is enough. Whenever the silent whispers of a people become loud, it means that Nigeria is sitting on a keg of a gunpowder. Give Nigerian people a breathing space. Do the right thing. Free them, because we know that regardless of how long it takes the night, the day must surely come. One day, Nigeria shall be free. This is Open Whispers. Remember to subscribe, share the video, and most importantly, see something, say something, and do something. It's like a government of vendetta. Please, I want to go to sleep and wake up and believe that I am not dreaming. Is it a government of vendetta? Now all these policies are anti-people policies. Is Bola Ahmed Tinubu punishing Nigerian people for not voting for him in the last presidential election? Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch.